right, to get started here at the 2013 Old Town Stomp, I'm going to bring up Sonny Wilkinson to say a few words. Now, Sonny's on her way to California to a recording. She's just getting over a cold, so she's going to say a few words about her experience in Old Town.
Thank you, Terry. Hi, everybody. How are you doing today? This is great. Terry and Linda asked me to come down and join you and maybe give a little bit of a salute to you. Normally, I would jump in and sing with the band, but I'm recovering from that hideous cough and chest cold, and I'm flying on Wednesday to make a record with some friends in LA, and I have to protect my voice. But Terry asked me to say a few words about Old Town, and you all who are volunteering for these great festivals, right? I mean, the Blues Festival and the Jazz Festival, and we all know, all of us artist type, we all know this would not be happening without y'all. I mean, it wouldn't. It would not survive or be able to happen. I remember when I moved here from LA in '93, the Jazz Festival hadn't started yet. Terry, was it 1995? 95. And Old Town was not looking like it is today, folks. Y'all remember? It was funky, and not the good kind of funky. Today, it is the good kind of funky with arts and every kind of business happening. And I think it's because of the vision of a lot of people, but I want to acknowledge a couple of them who I had the opportunity and joy to work with, and that is, of course, Terry and Message Makers. Yay! And there was another guy in there who was a great artist and a great visionary, and that's the great Robert Busby, who helped make this place alive again. So before I just step down, and I really do want to sing for y'all, it'd be so much fun, but I gotta say no, but I want to say that I have played the Jazz Festival 4 or 5 times, and up until last year, every single year, it rained! Not just gentle rain, it rained torrentially. Remember, Mike? It was like blowing us off the stage. So hopefully we've broken that bad string of luck. Congratulations to you all. Thank you for everything you do for the festival and bringing the arts and music alive, and for keeping this community so vibrant and so alive, and such that cool, wonderful, unique, hip thing that we have in Old Town. So thanks for letting me say something. Bless y'all. Thank you.